Keep my hands on myself. Think I'll dust them off, put them back.
Hey guys, this is Ada from Woohoo Slime and we have a bunch of new slimes in this restock today. The restock is today on September 8th at 2 p.m. PST. You can purchase my slimes at woohooslime.com, which I will link below. I'll be showing you all of my new slimes first and then I will go into my regular restock slimes. So let's get started. So first up we have Electric Dreams. This is such a fun slime to mix and play with because of the texture and the colors. The bottom is a thick slime that is scented like honeydew, and the middle layer is an air-dry clay-based slime that is scented like avocado sea salt. The top layer is a Daiso-based clay slime that is also scented like honeydew. And when it's all mixed together, it makes a nice and fluffy clay or slay slime that has nice baby sizzles. Keep in mind that the top two layers may mix during shipping, but I will be fixing my recipe later on so I won't do that in the future. So next up we have Strawberry Lemonade Slush. The yellow part is scented like pink lemonade and the pink part is scented like strawberries. I love mixing these colors together because I think they go together so well. And in the end it mixes into this beautiful peach color which I'm in love with. What I really like about this slime is that it's so sizzly. Also, keep in mind that this is more of a wet slime, so if that bothers you I would suggest passing on this slime. I personally don't mind it at all. So this is Frosted Ocean Waves, and this is a slime that I used to sell that I decided to bring back due to a couple people requesting it. This is scented like Ocean Breeze and was based off of my old logo which had a huge wave in it. I really like this slime because blue is my favorite color and it's so pretty mixing the blue and white together. The slime will also get more ombre-like during shipping, which I think makes it look even prettier. This slime is also very sizzly like the other one. And it is also the same as the last slime in regards to it being more of a wet slime, so if that bothers you I would suggest passing on the slime as well, but also I don't mind it at all. So next up we have Big Duck BB, and this is based off of the Duck Spirits in Spirited Away. This is a clay slime that gets very fluffy and is so fun to play with and squish. There are orange foam beads to resemble their beaks and green foam chunks to resemble the leaf on their heads. They're one of my favorite characters, so I had to base the slime off of them. One thing to keep in mind is that when the slime gets very fluffy, the beads and foam chunks do occasionally fall out. Also, this is scented like banana and vanilla waffle cone. So next up is Chihiro's Parents, and this is a cloud slime scented like berries and cream, and it has cherry blossom clay sprinkles and pink iridescent glitters. This also comes with a pig charm. The cherry blossom sprinkles remind me of the scene where Chihiro is running through flowers after or before seeing her parents, which is one of my favorite scenes because it's so pretty. Next up, we have one of my favorites, which is Haku. This is one of my best sellers and is sold out so fast at SlimeCon. The clear base slime has cut up iridescent pieces in it and is unscented for clarity. The thick slime that goes on top is scented like pear and ocean breeze. Also, instead of selling the thick slime in 2-ounce containers, I will be selling them in a 1-ounce container instead to lower the price. I really like this slime because I think it represents Haku so well. So this is a no face and this is a clear slime with black pigment in it. I put a little less black pigment so it'll look gray when it's pulled apart like how his body fades in the movie. This also comes with a hollow confetti piece now instead of silver, which I think looks super cool. This is scented like night air and it smells so soothing to me. I really like molding the slime into different shapes to make his body look different. This is Soot Sprite's Treats, and this is a white glue foam that is scented like cantaloupe, which is one of my favorite scents. This has pastel yellow and green foam beads to represent the star candies that the Soot Sprites eat. There are also clay star sprinkles to represent that as well. This will come with 3 Soot Sprite charms and has really great pops. So next up we have Blossom Milk Tea. This is a thick slime that is scented with 4 different flower scents. There are small pearl flowers in it as well that I think add a really cute touch to the slime. This has great bubble pops and inflates like crazy. So next up we have Lumpy Space Princess, and this is a clear base cloud slime that has really nice drizzles. This comes with a gold star like the one on her head, except this one is holographic. This is also topped with different types of glitters to show her sassiness, which I love. This is scented like cotton candy and blue cotton candy. So next up is Love Diva, and this is based off of a diva who is a hero from a game called Overwatch. I used to main her, so I had to base a slime off of her. This comes with an adorable bunny charm like her logo, which I forgot to show in this video, which I'm really sorry about. You can check it out on my website if you haven't seen it before and would like to see it. The colors are supposed to be like the colors of her costume. This is a thick slime scented like peaches and cream, and keep in mind that the colors may mix more during shipping. This is Blueberry Blizzard, and this is a jelly slime with micro foam beads and blue foam beads. This is scented like blueberry and will come with a blue Rilakuma charm. This has an interesting texture and is really fun to play with. Next up is one of my best sellers, Moonlight Dreams. This is a cloud slime that drizzles very well and is scented strawberry, pear, blue cotton candy, and ocean breeze. This will come with a pastel moon charm. I love mixing the colors together because it looks so pretty. So last but not least, we have one of my best sellers, which is Totoro's Fuzzy Belly. This is a butter snow slime that's crazy sizzly. This is scented like sugar cookies, and I love playing with the slimes just to listen to the sizzles. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I hope you guys have a great day.